Compared to all the other courses in finance and management accounting today, CMA is considered to be one of the cheapest course in finance and management accounting. Hello and welcome to North Star. In this very short video, we are going to learn 5 important points why you should prefer CMA USA course. The first point, how much does it cost? Compared to all the other courses in finance and management accounting today, CMA is considered to be one of the cheapest course in finance and management accounting. So cost-wise, it is very, very viable. The second important point is how much time does it take to become a certified management accounting. So in that regard also, it just takes 6 to 9 months to complete the CMA course. If you are studying full time, it will not take more than 6 months to complete this course. But if you are working or simultaneously studying in your undergraduation or post-graduation program full time, it will take not more than 9 months to complete the entire program in your very first go. The third important reason why you should prefer choosing CMA USA is because of the content of the syllabus. It just has 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Each part having 6 sections each. It is not very difficult to complete both the parts, and it is very conceptual. So whatever you are going to use in your real life scenario, in the finance department, in your companies, it is going to be just that, and no extra additional unnecessary things are covered in the program. So very conceptual and very, very interesting topic. The fourth reason why you should look at CMA is the examination windows that it has. You don't have to go all out planning for the exam. You don't have to take long holidays for the exam because these are on-demand exam. So each window you get 2 months in January, February window, in May, June window, and in September, October window. You get 60 days. You can choose your exam on any day. So it gives you a lot of flexibility in choosing and booking your exam. And a holiday of 1 week from office will be enough to crack this exam in the very first go. The fifth important reason is the subject relevance in real corporate life scenario. So the subject, if you look at it, it is something that you must know when you're working in the finance department. If you are looking at managerial position, a middle level management position, you must know about financial statement analysis. You must be keeping pace with decision making, with corporate finance, with analytics, big data. These are areas that you will be learning in the CMA course, which are very, very relevant for today's finance opportunities. That's all in this video. If you like the video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Do let me know in the comment section, why do you think you should look at CMA USA course? Which is your reason for choosing this course? See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.